Hello. In this video, we will learn about using text to columns in Excel.
Sometimes when you get data from text documents, PDF files, and so on, you get data that is basically not organized properly like this. So where everything is kind of all together, crunched up, and you can't basically work with this type of data. So one quick, easy way to sort out this data is to use what is called text columns in Excel. So to do that, what you need to do is first select the cells where the data is located. Then you can go to Data, and then you under Data Tools, you see there's a Text to Columns command. Click on that, and this dialog box opens. And as you can see, there are two ways to basically separate out your data. So one is delimited. So we use delimited when your data is separated by commas, tabs, or other characters. And you can use fixed width when there are kind of a fixed space between these fields. So in our case, we see this data is separated by commas. So we'll go for the delimited. Click on that and then go to next. And here automatically comma has been selected. If not, you can select it like this, and you can see the preview. The data seems to be now all sorted out. So then what we can do is we can just click on finish, and we also see we have different options: space, other, semicolon, tab. Those can be also given as delimiters or the separators. So we click, since this is okay, we click finish. And then if we expand this, and our data is all now sorted out. Then if we look at another example over here again data is all messed up and together, but here we don't have a delimiter like a comma or semicolon. So let's select everything here, and then again go to text columns. And here we will go for fixed width and click on next, and see these bars. To separate, we can add these bars wherever we want. So here it seems to be okay, this is separated. And here we need add a bar to separate the numbers and the phone numbers and the email. So let's click somewhere here. So that's separated. These numbers separated. And it seems to be okay. So then we can click next. Actually, we can click finish. And let's see. And our data seems to be all sorted out.
Thanks for watching.